This is a song that divines or glorifies the Father. Our scriptures are very, very clear. தாய் சிறந்த கோவினமில்லை, தந்தை சொல் மிக்க மந்திரமில்லை. There is no temple, there is no shrine, there is no place of worship that is more potent or powerful than your biological mother. She is everything. She is deity. She has given you birth. She has nourished you. She has done everything for you. And there is nobody that can put you on the path of righteousness other than your biological father. I went to India and I met the guy that wrote this lyrics for the song, and that's exactly what he told me. He comes from a Catholic background. That's exactly what he told me. There is nobody that can guide you on your path towards righteousness. Your Father is the only one that will structure a path. He'll give you that light. Please follow that path there. If you follow that path, you will become successful. If you don't follow that path, you will fall by the wayside. அப்பா பிதாவே அன்பான தேவ அருமை இரட்சகரே ஆவியானவரே அப்பா பிதாவே அன்பான